Your brand new home might not be as perfect as you think. The fact is, most new homes have defects. Thankfully though, they come with a builder's warranty. This means your builder is obligated to make any construction related repairs to your house, but only within 1 year of you buying the home. And trust me, you won't be getting a heads up that the warranty is about to expire. Once the warranty expires, you're on the hook for any of the costs. So if you want things fixed on their dime, you have to let them know. Our comprehensive elite home inspection will evaluate over 1,800 items in your home, including plumbing, heating, air conditioning, roofing, foundation, attic, and much more. One of our licensed background checked inspectors will inspect your house in about an hour per 1,000 square feet. After the inspection, our inspector will take the time to explain the results to you and answer your questions. We'll also send you an inspection report that you can send directly to the builder showing them what needs to be fixed. And the fact that you used a professional inspection company will add legitimacy to your repair requests. Now, if you're watching this, it means your warranty is going to expire soon. So call us now at 866-795-0444 for a free quote on an elite builder's warranty inspection. You shouldn't have to pay for mistakes your builder made. Act today so you won't be out of pocket tomorrow.